Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today's video is basically going to be me giving you a tutorial on the look you just saw. I'm going to be showing you how I create it and this the step by step and the products I use. So stay tuned to see that. So the first product that I'm going to take is my Morphe X James Charles palette. Just had my nails done, so I feel like I'm an ASMR artist now. But I'm going to be using the blue colour in here. It's a little bit of a mess because I've been using it loads, but this is my favourite palette in the whole wide world. It's what I've got on my eyes today. And I'm going to be taking this blue colour here and quite a big Real Techniques brush. This is what I use in my special effects, but it's fine, I can clean it afterwards. It's a contour brush. I'm going to be dipping my brush in and then I'm just going to be patting it over the area that I want to get the blue. So all I am doing is dipping in my big brush, and sorry, my mirror's like right over here, and I'm just pressing it on where I want it to go. Obviously this palette is really pigmented, so like it's just going on straight away, which is great. But yeah, all I'm doing is patting on the colour and I'll probably just give it a blend afterwards. So now that the blue is in the kind of lines that I want it to be and where I want it to go, I'm just going to take a cotton pad and clean off my brush so there's like no excess blue on there, and then I'm just going to like lightly blend the blue around just so it's not in such a harsh line. I think it looks cute like that. Like, why do I think this is such a vibe? I'm also going to put on a quick bit of lip tint, and then I'm going to put some blue on my lips as well, using just a really small brush I've got. I think I might use my finger actually, it might be a bit easier. So because I've had no blue lipstick, I had to use the blue eyeshadow and it's gone on like this. But yeah, no blue lipstick, you know, we've got it improvised. So now I'm going to take my vast majority of white eyeliners. I think I'm going to use the liquid one, but I feel like it's kind of like, there's not loads in there. So I've also got like a little face paint palette. So if I do need to dip into that, I'm gonna, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start drawing on the snowflakes on the blue area. So as you can see, I've drawn on one snowflake and I'm just gonna continue to draw them on in various different sizes. So as you can see, I drew 4 snowflakes on each side and that's the look complete. It was really quick and really easy. It literally took me like 10 minutes to do. I don't know like if you'd want to wear this, but I just thought I'd do a tutorial on it because it's extremely cute and I'm really feeling the whole blue going on, like blue eyes, blue lips, blue nails, blue this. I think it looks super cute, so I just wanted to do a tutorial on it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave any suggestions down in the comments and I'll see you in another video soon.